going to be a surprise for you to take home with you from Mr. Bethany.
A special surprise. Yeah.
Are you ready to see what it is?
Yeah.
Stay right there. Yeah. Stay there. Okay, come on, Mr.
It's a special surprise. It's from Mr. and Mrs. Best for you. You ready to go home and see Mommy?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Here you go. Here's your special surprise.
That?
You don't like it?
What surprise?
Well, that's surprise. Well, maybe. See that little blue heart right there? Yeah. If you pull up on that flap, you'll
Pull
see
up?
what the special surprise is.
Let me hold your drink, buddy.
Pull up.
Pull it. Pull it hard.
Pixie!
Guess what?
What?
She's gonna go home with you.
With me?
Yes. And live with you and
Oh.
your daddy
Oh.
on 5th Street.
On 5th Street.
What do you
Yeah.
think?
Oh, yeah. Daddy has to have 2 suitcases on.
Yeah, I will, because she's coming on the plane with us.
She's coming on the plane with you.
I can pull it.
Maybe you could help. All right. Well, Jude, why don't you gently put her down and give Mr. and Mrs. Best a big hug and kiss and say thank you.
Oh.
Say thank you.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Are you excited? Do you remember what you told me you had been praying for every single day
What?
to God?
A cat.
A cat?
Now we're bringing one home.
What?
Did God answer your prayers?
Yes.
Yes, you have a kitty cat of your own. It's Pixie Cat. She's yours to keep.
Yeah.
Say thank you. Say thank you.
Thank you.
Are you so excited?
Yeah.
All right. It's time for us to go to the airport now.
Okay, let's go.
Yeah.